Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading to Target and it is October the 29th. I have 4 different scenarios for the spend so much, get a gift card back for you. As always, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you like, share, subscribe. There is a printable breakdown in the description box. All you need to do is print it off to take in the store with you or just pull it up on your phone. No need to write any of these deals down. Also, please join me on my social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I give a lot of visual deals on those platforms. All right, let's get started. I'm really excited about this first deal because the Swiffer dusters are attaching to the buy 3 get a $10 gift card. Now make sure when you're in the store, check to make sure, scan these Swiffers on the Target app to make sure it is still working. So I got all 3 of these items and I only paid $8.47 all together. Let me show you how. The very first thing that I did was these Finish Ultimate are brand new. My store only had the ones that were $15.49 and the larger ones, so I wasn't able to get the smaller pack. If you can get the pack that's like $11, get that one instead. But I'm just, doing what I can with this $15 one. If you're able to get the $11 pack, it's going to make this deal even better. But I got the $15 pack for the Finish. I'm excited about these. These are like some fancy new ones that are out there. So you have 2 different things going on here. The first thing is on the Target app, there is a $3 Target Circle offer on the app. So automatically it's going to bring that total down. Then you're going to head over to IBOTTA. There is a $6 high-valued IBOTTA rebate that you will receive back. So you're going to have the $3 on the Target app and $6 on IBOTTA rebate. That's $9 in savings. Then I picked up 2 of the Swiffer dusters. They are $5.99 each. There are no coupons or rebates on them, but we use these a lot in our house, so I was really excited to be able to pick these up. So $5.99 on these. Your total is going to be $11.98 for this. Now, I want to remind you, on the printable breakdown, I have this categorized in colors. So this deal here where you get 2 Swiffers and the Finish is colored in blue. And it's going to be $8.47 for all 3 products, or it's going to be $2.82 each. Great deal on these considering we don't have coupons for the Swiffer, but we're getting back $10 when we buy these 3 products. So getting these 3 products, getting back that $10 gift card. Now I'm going to take that gift card and roll it to my next deal. My next deal is another household product. Again, a buy 3, get a $10 gift card. So on this one, it's going to be exactly the same amount. You're going to pay $8.47 for all 3 of these items, or about $2.82 per item. This is such a great deal. Now in this one, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up one of the Swiffer sweepers, the dusters. Like I said before, they are $5.99 on these. And no coupons needed, but like I said before, make sure you scan on the app to make sure these are still part of the buy 3, get a $10 gift card promotion. The second item you're going to pick up are these Downy Unstoppable In-Wash Scent Booster Beads. These are $9.99. There is a $2 off on the Target app, and this is a manufacturer single-use coupon, so you can only get one of these. So that makes these, after the $2, $7.99, but it gets even cheaper. The last thing you're going to pick up are these Gain Fireworks. These are this In-Wash Scent bead users. These are $10.49, and there is another $2 coupon that is a single-use coupon on the Target app. That's going to bring that total down from $10.49 down to $8.49. So you're getting all three of these products. But then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to the IBOTTA app and you're going to submit for $2 back on the Downy Unstoppables and $2 back on the Gain. So you're going to receive back from IBOTTA $4 in rebates for buying both of those products. Of course, you'll get back that $10 gift card from Target for buying these three products. Your total will be $8.47 for all of these together, or they're going to be just $2.82 each. So this is a great deal, and on my printable breakdown, this is labeled in purple. So the first one was in blue, and this one is in purple. We have the Scotch Brite sponges. These are on BOGO, and we're going to be paying just $3.07 each for them. So pick up two of them. They're $6.19 each. Your total at the register will be $12.38. You're going to submit to IBOTTA for $6.25. Your total for both of them is $6.13, or a little over $3 each. Good deal on a large pack of sponges. Now remember, if you love these deals, please make sure you comment your favorite deal of the day or any questions that you may have. It helps me a ton when you comment and you like my videos. The next one is going to be on this buy 4 items, get a $5 Target gift card on select personal care items. And this is going to be my deal of the day on this particular deal. Now, what I did was I picked up 4 of the Arm & Hammer Advanced White toothpastes. These are my favorite toothpastes to use. And whenever these are out, I always pick them up. We're going to be spending just $3.76 for all 4. So you're picking up 4. Your total, it will be $16.76. We're going to be getting back $2 for each one from IBOTTA. So that's $8 in rebates from IBOTTA when we buy 4. And then we're also going to get back that $5 gift card. So with that $5 gift card and $8 back from IBOTTA, your total will be $3.76 on these for all 4 tubes of toothpaste. That's a really good deal because it started off at $16.76 and went all the way down to $3.76. So that is my deal of the day. So this next breakdown on my printable breakdown is going to be green. This is another buy 4, get a $5 Target gift card on select personal care items. So in the printable breakdown, it is green, so make sure you check that out. First thing you're going to do is pick up 2 of these Old Spice deodorants. When you do, your total will be $11.98 on those. Then there is a $1 coupon on the Target app, and that's going to take your total to $10.98 at the register. And then there is a $5 IBOTTA rebate when you buy 2. So your total after the $1 coupon and the $5 IBOTTA rebate is going to be $5.98. But wait, there's more. Don't forget, we're going to be able to get that $5 gift card when we buy 4 of these items. So let me show you some more. Then you'll pick up 2 of these Pure Zero shampoos, conditioners. I love these. They are $5.99 when you pick up 2. Your total will be $11.98. There is a $3 coupon on the Target app that you're able to use. So at the register, your total will be $8.98. Then you're going to head on over to IBOTTA, and you're going to submit for a $4 rebate when you buy 2 of these Pure Zero shampoo and conditioner. So with the $3 Target Circle offer and the $4 IBOTTA rebate, that's $7 in savings. So your total will be $4.98 for both of these shampoo and conditioner. So with the 2 Old Spice and the 2 Pure Zeros, your total at the register for everything and the IBOTTA rebates is going to be $5.96, because remember, we're going to get back that $5 gift card, or it's going to be just $1.49 per item. This is a great deal on these. Good deals at Target this week. I did want to point out that they do have some cute new Stanley cups at Target. I'm not a big Stanley cup girl, but a lot of my students carry these, and I thought they were super expensive, which they are expensive, but they're when you buy 2 of them, it's $50. So I guess that's, to me, cheaper than getting a Yeti cup. My daughter wanted a little transit bottle, so I did pick one of those up for her. They're $30. I got her the green one. So super cute if you're looking for Stanleys. Here are the prices on those. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe. Check out that printable breakdown in the description box. Also, comment your favorite deal of the day. It helps me a ton when you comment and show me some love on my channels. It helps me to keep bringing these videos back to you. All right, I'll see you next one.